Hello guys, welcome back to another one. In this time I'm gonna be talking about this engine. I got it from the Junkyard for $150, so it was a deal that I couldn't let pass. But I'm guessing it was damaged because it was still in the junkyard. Usually these engines they're gone as soon as they touch the junkyard. So if you guys wanna find out what happened with it, let's go and join me. First thing that I find out, something that happened that's metal. Second one, the injectors stay on it, so that means that this engine nobody hasn't touched it before. So I need to fight them to get them out. Just so you can have an idea, should be a lot of little dots over there, really, to see them. That means that this car was using cheap oil, cheap gas. That screw doesn't want to come out, so I'm gonna have to use this one. The smell on this engine is really bad. I guess they didn't replace the oil. damaged cylinder. Right there, the second one. Blown out piston. Metal. They never changed the bearings. That's bearing gone. The rod is stuck right there, broken in half. Got bent. This is rod incrusted right there. Like, let me see if I can get it out. Any car, it has to be changed the bearings. It doesn't matter if it's Toyota, Honda, BMWs, Mercedes. You have to keep changing the bearings at least 100,000 miles. These cars, they don't last forever. It's metal, rubbing on metal, just getting lubricated by oil. Yeah, sometimes the metal is gonna give out, and that's what happened over here. They hit it and hit it and hit it until it broke. Hopefully this crankshaft can be saved. If not, I'm screwed. This piston seems good, but the rod, long gone. Like I always say about these rods, they are cheap. They're bad. You see, got a big curve. This one seems okay. No, it's not. Broken over here. It should be looking like this. This one is damaged over here. The walls, I don't seem that bad. Obviously they have to be measured and everything, but besides that, it seems good. The only thing that I got damaged is in the bottom. Right here. That's not gonna be any issues. Alright, for this, I'm gonna need the whole kit, brand new, with pistons, rods, valve cover, everything on it. So now I need to take it to the machine shop to see what they can do. Alright guys, thank you for being with me, watching this. See you in the next one.